Hello my friends, how are you? I might sound a little bit different because I actually have COVID. So yeah, that's been going on. I started doing everything in a bullet journal. Let me see if I can find a pen. I'm so not prepared as usual, but I was like, you know what, it's halfway through the month and I have to get this out, because if I don't, I'm never gonna do it. So I started a bullet journal. So here is my July. It is Jurassic Park because I absolutely love Jurassic Park. So yeah, there's like a little quote and I drew a little dinosaur. It's just my bullet journal. But I wanted to just set up my monthly budget. Like I said, I know I'm so late. But I'm feeling a little bit better today, so I'm gonna try to get it down. But like, I know that I got paid on the 1st, and then I know I am gonna get paid on the 15th and on I think the 13th from Walgreens. And then I don't know what's going on because I actually gave my 2 weeks and I'm gonna be starting a new job. So new job is gonna be on the 18th. So I'm supposed to be getting paid weekly from that job, so I'll be able to see how it goes. Okay, these are just some stuff like for my bullet journal, like I'm trying to lose weight and track my habits and stuff like that. So I mean, it's kind of cute, right? Let's see, these are like my to-do list. I haven't filled any of this out yet, but for my budget, so I know that sorry guys, with Thrive I should be getting, this is going to be on the 1st, I'm going to be getting, let me see, July 1st, should be getting about $1,000. And then let's do the other one from Thrive, 7/15, should be getting another 1,000. So at least we'll be making 2,000, right? Alright, so I tried to do this the best that I can because I see other people doing it and they have like the Erin Condren and all that other stuff, and it's pretty cool, but I can't really afford that. But I've been bullet journaling, so I've been trying to put it in this. Sorry, I'm gonna stop it every time I cough because my cough is like the worst. So my fixed expenses is going to be, I have to take care of my rent, which I don't have the most beautiful handwriting, so please bear with me. But that is $500. Alright, my electric, I'm estimating, will be about $90. My gas bill is going to be about $80. My phone is $40 a month. I have my car insurance, which is going to be $80. My storage unit, so I have a storage unit now. This is about $90. Okay, my bank fee, I have TD Bank. So this bank fee is $7. Turn it down. I'm trying to teach him how to cook because I can't really cook with this. Okay. Amazon. My Amazon is $7 a month. My Walmart, because I have groceries that get delivered to me, is $14 a month. And I put Netflix because I was thinking about getting Netflix this summer, but I haven't gotten it yet, so that's just $0. Okay. So all of this right here, when I added it up, my total. Sorry, I'm not going to add it right now, only because I don't want this to be too long and it like hurts to talk. So, but this is my fixed expenses. This is everything. It came to $913. Okay. And then I have, hopefully I can fit it on here. My variable expenses is going to be my food budget, which I am adding $500, and that's for the month. This is all going to be monthly, so monthly estimations for my cats, my kitties. They should be getting $30. House, so like household items, this one should be getting $20, which should be $10 a paycheck. Let's see, gas money, which is insane, but this one is gonna be $320. No, look at, I'm gonna have to add more because I did this horribly. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, guys. I don't mean to be coughing in your ears. Allowance for my kids is $20. Eating out, I put down 20, and then work, because they order out a lot, I'm gonna put 20. And so this total, I'm just gonna put it over here. This total is going to be $930. Okay. So let's flip to this one. I'm gonna like go through and, you know, like next month try to make it a little bit better. Let's see. So for debt tracker, oh, I have a lot of debt right now. Let's see. Sorry, I have a Hot Topic. Hopefully you can see this with my big old hands. I'm gonna have to get the minimums because I don't really know what they are, which is not good, but I'll update these later. My minimum is 35. My TD Bank, this one usually is 35. GC Penny is a new credit card. This one I'm assuming is 35. I don't really know how much it is. I have the Burlington card. Burlington, which is 35. Okay guys, I do have a couple more too. So I have student loans. I'm just gonna put this here, which I'm gonna have to get the thing for that, but I don't have anything right now. I also have I'm gonna put Thrive. I'm gonna put 0 right there. And then I have like some kind of medical bill. And oh, it's Grand River. And I don't remember how much this one is. I'm gonna put 0. And then the other one is Care New England. It's a medical bill. And I can't remember how much that is. But all of this right here totals to $140. Okay, so my challenge is, I'm not really sure what I'm going to be doing with these. So I just kind of left them blank. And then my sinking funds, there's like certain ones that I kind of want to pay attention to, but as of right now, I'm not 180% sure. Yeah, I'm not really 180% sure on what I kind of want to save for. I know that I want to save a whole bunch of stuff, but let's see. So here's this. Challenges, sinking funds. I'm gonna do my paychecks soon. Look at dinosaur. Paycheck 1, paycheck 2, this bonus when I get paid. But I'm gonna start doing binders. So it's like kids binders, holiday binders, June binders, emergency, pink, and gold. And oh, these are just like menus. If you want to see me like just budget, like how I do my food budget and how I create menus, just let me know and I'll definitely start working on that. But like I was able to get like all these cute binders and stuff, but they just need like names on them. My daughter was helping me with some. I recycled a couple of these that I used to have, like the vacation and Disney, some gift cards, money down for a house, like all that stuff. Which once I get those done, I'll definitely start doing them. But right now it's hard. Like I have this one. This one's like cute. It's hard to kind of focus on stuff. Like this is the one that she was helping me with. So, but right now it's hard to kind of do anything. So I will eventually get to this stuff. So it all takes time. But yeah. Sorry, I keep coughing like crazy. So let me go ahead and just kind of estimate all of this. I'm not really sure where I'm gonna put it all, but see, I gotta watch some more of these videos that show you how to do them. But this right here is my goal for July and everything that I'm hopefully budgeting for, so I know how much money I have to make and all that great stuff. So this is $2 grand because I'm gonna be getting paid more. I think it's probably like close to $1,100. But let's see. So take away 913. Take away 930. And then we'll take away, let's bring this in here, 140. Is that right? Let's see. Yeah. So this right here will only leave me with $17 to do everything that I'm gonna have to do. So I'm like, hopefully I will have enough to put towards stuff. Hopefully I'll have enough money to put towards stuff. Hopefully I'll definitely be getting paid more, but I will know when I know. But as of right now, sorry, I just think this is so cute. It's so cute. But as of right now, this is what I got. This is my goal for the upcoming months to kind of figure out what is going on. Okay, so I'm gonna be releasing a couple of these videos because I know that like with paycheck 1 and all that stuff, I'm getting paid like tomorrow. So I'm gonna definitely be be trying to get this stuff out to you. But this right here is my monthly budget. I have $17 remaining. That $17 is gonna be put in some of these. They might go to like a buffer, or it might go into something else, but we'll figure out what I'm gonna do with that $17 when I come to it. So sorry that my voice is just insane. Sorry that these videos are taking me forever to upload. I am still having, well, I'm having computer issues, but because like I did all of this, like I like wrote, or I recorded like doing all of this setup, you know, for my bullet journal, and unfortunately like my computer is just taking forever. So isn't it cute though? Like, I think it's cute. I don't care. And it's just something that I wanted to do, you know. Hopefully you could see it. Oh, I'm so sorry guys that I keep coughing. But I got all of this there. Like, this right here is all my debt. So I'm going to be working on this and working on getting rid of all of this, because it's too much right now. But yeah, I got all my sinking funds in here, all the challenges that I want to do, just all this stuff. So you will be seeing a lot more of this journal. I know I don't have like a fancy like Erin Condren or any of those, but I like drawing. I'm not the best drawer, okay, but I like putting my mind to use, and I like to just de-stress, and I color to distress. And so it's not perfect, but it's mine, and I'm glad with that. Alright guys, so unfortunately my camera died. So I just wanted to show you or end this video. I'm gonna have $17 left. Woo! Once everything is paid up. But I just want to say thank you so much for bearing with me. I'm sorry that I sound horrible. I'm hoping that this is going to be my new format, so I'm going to definitely be perfecting this as I move forward. I've already started for August, so it's just a little small stuff, but it's alright. It just needs to be colored in, right? But I hope that you have a really good day, and take care of yourself and use sanitizer. Wash your hands, because I got this from my job, so I'm like, yeah, I don't have a life, so I definitely got this from work. So be careful out there, because it's still going on. But I hope that you have a really, really good day. Okay? Alright, I'll see you later. Bye, guys.